Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, here we are just a few minutes in front of Friday, right? Yeah, it's going to be nice. We're going to start off tonight. When I looked at this picture from Loretta Hurley, I thought, whoa, look at this fire in the sky. And then I realized, well, I got some horses here. Whoa, horsey. Yeah. Anyway, kind of a cool looking shot. Thanks, Loretta, for sending that in. And I like this one, too, from Mark A. Demeline. Dangerous, gusty crosswinds. I just put a sock in it in Livingston. It's just very windy. This is kind of normal for them. Hello, Livingston, he says. Anyway, let me show you how things are shaping up in Billings right now. We're not too bad. We're at 42 degrees. Winds are out of the southwest at 16, gives you a wind chill factor that feels like 34 degrees. Now, our high temp today topped out at 54, your normal high 45, and as you'll see, the record was 71 back in 2016. The record low was 16 below zero back in 1951. That was a very cold year, 1951. We had a lot of record lows in February. But as you'll notice here, we're looking, and also in March, you'll notice here, we're looking at as far as precipitation totals, nothing new for today or so far this month. Here we are, the 5th of March, and we still don't have any new precipitation. So we're starting to fall a little bit behind. For the year, we're at 8,400, so need to be at 108 to be caught up to average. So we're falling a little bit behind in the precipitation department for year-to-date totals as well. And around the rest of the country, temps are basically into the 30s and 40s across western Montana. 42 over in Butte right now, 48 at Great Falls, and I have some Great Halls there too. But 38 degrees over at Glasgow, 42 in Jordan. You see temps also into the 30s and 40s. But look at Livingston. That's the hot spot right now. They're at 50 degrees. Yeah, they topped out at 60 degrees today. So it was a great day to be there, just a little on the windy side. It's always a little windy there, but you'll notice here temperatures else around the rest of the state, a lot of 40s and a lot of 50s, mostly into the 50s. Northern Wyoming got into the 40s, but look at the 50s there, 54 there, 52 up at Havre, 57 Great Falls, 58 over in Missoula, same thing over in Helena. So just a nice day. But now we have this to worry about. We do have a flood advisory for the Bighorn and also Sheridan counties. What's happening is the snow melt is pouring tons of water into some poor drainage areas, and that causes some flooding. Same thing's happening up at Phillips and Valley County up by Glasgow. So this is a small stream flood advisory, stays with us until Sunday morning. And as you'll see here tonight, not much in the way of new moisture, but just some high clouds still rolling over us tonight. Could see the hole in the clouds in the Billings area probably a little later this evening. But here's the big picture. You can see a big upper level trough through here, and with a lot of snow and around that low pressure cell in the upper Great Lakes. But for us, new ridge of high pressure building into our region. So what does that mean for us at the surface? New warm front moving in tomorrow. So we'll be warming up very nicely thanks to that. Yes, sir. Thank you. And then here comes another batch of cold air dropping down from Canada on Saturday morning. And then by Saturday afternoon, it gets a little bit closer into the Billings area. By Saturday night, this thing should blow on through, and then we'll look at more rain and snow showers on the Sunday. But as far as temperatures are concerned, 20s and 30s tonight, maybe 41 over at Livingston, 16 at West Yellowstone, 32 at Red Lodge, and partly cloudy skies tonight. Tomorrow, look at this, back to the 60s on Friday, 67 degrees on Hardin, 66 at Billings, 63 in Livingston. But tonight in Billings, partly cloudy, back down to 35 degrees. And as you'll see for the next 7 days, 66 on Friday, 65 Saturday, slight chance for some rain showers late in the day, rain and snow on Sunday, Monday some rain late in the day, and then back to the upper 50s by the end of next week. Let's go back to the desk.